Welcome to the channel. This problem regarding limits and continuity. Find the right and left hand limits of f of x equals to x square, x and x minus 3. These are x square is if x less than or equal to 1, x if x less between 1 and 2, f x greater than 2. Okay. Given f of x equals to x square if x less than or equal to 1, x if 1 less than x less than or equal to x minus 3 if x greater than 2, a equals to 2. This is the given problem. Now we want to find left and right. You know a line, this is 2, a is 2, these are less than 2, these are greater than 2. Okay, these values are less than 2, left side, right side greater than 2, that's all. 2 minus 2 plus. Now these values are called 2 minus, these values are called 2 plus. Take left hand limit. Limit x tends to 2 minus, left hand means this, f of x equals to, which one? Please observe here. X square if x less than or equal to 1. X square if x less than or equal to 1. X if 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. So less than or equal to 2. Less than 2, not 2. So x you have to take. That implies take 2. That is answer. Okay. Therefore left hand limit equals to 2. Now again right hand limit. Limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. 2 plus means what? Greater than 2, which is greater than 2, less than 2. So x greater than 2 means x minus 3. X minus 3, that is equals to 2 minus 3 equals to minus 1. Therefore right hand limit equals to minus 1. You got the point? Therefore left hand limit not equals to right hand limit. Okay? Therefore limit x tends to 2, f of x does not exist. Okay? In this way you can find the left hand and the right hand limits. See the problem. Show that limit x tends to 0 minus x cube cos 3 by x equals to 0. Simple. Here 0 is left hand side, not right hand side. That means zero minus means what? Suppose this is 0. Now we want this values. 0 minus values, not 0 plus values. We want to take only 0 minus values, left hand side and right hand side. We don't want the right hand side values now. We want only left hand side values. Given limit x tends to 0 minus x cube cos 3 by x. Now x lies between what? Suppose if x equal to 0, cos 0 equals to 1. Yes? Yes or not? That means what? This is maximum value. Okay? Now, suppose cos 3 by x lies between -1 and 1. Okay? You got the point now? So this is cos 0 is 1. Yes or not? That means cos 3 by x lies with -1 and 1. This is maximum value. Now limit x tends to 0 minus x cube cos 3 by x equals to limit x tends to 0 minus x cube into limit x tends to 0 minus cos 3 by x. See here, 0 cube equals to 0, which is cos 3 by 0, cos infinite. But it is not undefined, but it is value, some value. We can't say that particular value, but we consider as m. Some value, it is constant. Okay? What is m? Less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to m, which is the maximum value. M is maximum value. 1 less than 1, 1 less than m or equal to m, whatever it may be. Totally it is some value. So why? Because this is not 0 accurately. This is not 0. Yes or not? This is less than 0. That means some value, some negative value, some value is there. We can't say that particular value. That is why this is a constant. Some value. So some value is getting. We don't want that now. So 0 into m equals to 0. That's all. Therefore, limit x tends to 0 minus x cube cos 3 by x equals to 0. This is the required answer. Here we want to observe one thing, guys. Cos 3 by 0 is infinite. 3 by 0 is infinite. Cos infinity we can't say that value. But here this is not 0. Less than 0. See here. If 0 is there, less than value, less values, greater values. Less than 0, greater than 0. But we are taking less than 0 values here. That is why that is not infinite. 3 by 0, not 3 by 0. That is something value is there, less than 0. That is why we can take some value, some constant. That is m. That is 1 less than equal to m. So 0 and m equal to, this is the answer. See the problem. Find the limit x tends to 0 f of x, where f of x equals to x minus 1 if x less than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, x plus 1 if x greater than 0. Very, very simple. Please understand and follow the rules, points. Okay? Given f of x equals to x minus 1 if x less than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, x plus 1 if x is greater than 0. Okay, this is the problem as given. Now limit is x tends to 0 here given. So take a line 0. These values are less than 0. These values are greater than 0. Left side, right side. Okay. Now left hand side limit. Limit x tends to left hand side means minus. That means less than 0. This meaning is nothing but less than 0. F of x equals to less than 0 means what? X is less than 0. X equal to 0. X greater than 0. Which you have to take among these three? This one, first one. Why? Because x less than 0. we didn't take x is equal to 0 because it is not 0, it is less than 0. That is why we won't take first one, that means x minus 1. So 0 minus 1. Therefore left hand side limit equals to minus 1. Similarly, take right hand side limit. Limit x tends to plus. You can write LIM or LD. Don't worry about that. You can write LIM or LD. No problem. F of x equals to, which you have to take 0 plus means these values are greater than 0. Yes or not? Greater than 0 means among 3 you have to take x plus 1. X plus 1. That means 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Therefore, right hand side limit equals to 1. Hence, LHS left hand side limit not equal to right hand side limit. Yes or not? Why? Because this is minus 1, this is 1. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, f of x does not exist. Okay guys, in this way we can do problems regarding left hand side and right hand side limits. These are very important. Don't worry about this type of functions. Why? Because simply you have to understand the values less than or equal to. Simply you can understand that one. Less than 0 means those values are less than 0. Okay? Equal to 0, you know that. Greater than 0 means those values are greater than 0. Less than 0 means what? Which type of values you can get? Minus 1 values, minus negative values. Yes or not? Greater value means positive values. 1, 2, something, 0.5, whatever it is, 0.6. Those are positive values are is nothing but greater than 0. Negative values are nothing but less than 0. Those are comes under z integers. Okay. So in this way you can do some problems, practice some more problems, you can get idea about left hand and right hand side limits. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.